Hi everyone, my name is Joyce. I'm the Infant and Toddler Program Manager at Renaissance Kids. This November, we're so excited to continue our Pajamas Drive, a tradition we've been doing for 20 years. It is all about spreading warmth, kindness, and love to children in need.
Hello everyone, my name is Tara. I'm the JK Manager. And at Renaissance Kids, we really do believe that adults teach by example. Our president and founder, Miss Linda Shirley, believes teaching children in the early years about qualities like empathy, responsibility, giving, and caring for others is a huge gift that each one of us can give to our children and all of the children that come through our doors. And I invite all of you to come along with me and let's see how we can do that. Children learn by doing and by seeing how adults in their lives treat one another. They learn the joy of giving by participating in events that give back to our community, like the PJ Drive. When they're involved, they experience that joy. They will become lifelong givers. Everyone can have a part in making the world a better place.
Hi, my name is Kate Dennis, Manager of Spark, Wonder Camps, and Enrichment Programs. Our students are learning from the story, Have You Filled a Bucket Today? To understand the value and kindness for caring for others. Through this story and participating in the PJ Drive fundraising event, they develop a sense of responsibility and see how small acts of generosity can positively impact the community.
Our teachers will use felt boards and magnetic boards to help our 1 to 3 years olds to understand kindness, appreciation, and love in a fun and visual way. Through simple games and positive actions, we want our children to learn that even small acts, like donating a pair of pajamas, can make someone's day brighter and their heart a little warmer.
These lessons help shape them into thoughtful, empathic, and compassionate individuals.
One pair of pajamas at a time, no matter how old or young we are.
Let's keep filling buckets and sharing love. One pair of pajamas makes a difference.